Today we're making a quick and easy Boston Clam Chowder. And here are just some of the ingredients we're using. Some chopped bacon, fresh thyme sprig, a bay leaf, granulated garlic, granulated onion, some lemon pepper, some white pepper, some kosher salt, some finely diced onion, some finely diced celery, a can of baby clams, bottle of clam juice, and a little bit of dry sherry. And a few other ingredients we'll talk about later. So what you want to do is get your bacon going in a saucepan, then throw in your onions and your celery and get to sauteing them. Then add those spices we just talked about and give it a little stir. Now hit it with your dry sherry, kind of deglaze the bottom of the pan. Now it's time to dump in your bottle of clam juice. Strain the juice from the baby clams. Don't put the clams in yet, they'll get all rubbery. Fresh thyme, the basil leaf, add your cup of water, and then your teaspoon of chicken base. Better Than Bouillion works so well. If you got that, use it. Now drop in your diced potatoes. Now bring it all to a simmer. Cover the pan and cook for about 8 to 9 minutes until the potatoes are just fork tender. Now remove the bay leaf and the fresh thyme sprigs. Put a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch in a tablespoon of water or so and drop it in your simmering chowder. That's going to thicken it a little bit. You can use more cornstarch if you want, depends on how thick you want it. Now it's time to put your baby clams back in. Add your cup of half and half and a half cup of cream. Give it a stir and bring it to a very low simmer and let it thicken up as much as you want it. And now the most important step in this whole process, you're going to taste it. And you're going to add more salt and pepper, whatever seasonings you want at this point. Ladle it into your favorite bowl. And I like to garnish with a little bit of chopped chives and sprinkle on a teeny bit of paprika. And there you have it. Easy and quick Boston Clam Chowder.